Hey guys, Carlo here. Today we're gonna talk about headlines. Why are they so important? Basically, headlines are the difference between people clicking on your thing and just keep scrolling down. So today I'm gonna show you some simple structures and techniques to make some high converting, high persuasive headlines. So the first one, the most typical one is how to get, and you can put it like six-pack, abs, or how to get anything that they like. But we're not keeping it in that level, we're taking it to the next level. So you can say how to get six-pack in as little as 1 month. You see? So people now are gonna look for it and say like, okay, I'm gonna get it in a really small period of time, right? And if you want to keep it to the next level, you can say how to get a six-pack in as little as 1 month, even if you have 1 year without doing any exercise. So in this way, you see how you can get these things that people want, that desire, in as little as, so you take off the pain. 1 month is something that is shocking, like how am I gonna get a six-pack in 1 month? And then you say, even if you, and you take any excuse that people may have, and you tell it here, so they don't have a single excuse to not click and not want to get it. Because people are gonna say like, man, I haven't worked out in 6 months and I don't have a gym membership, I don't have this and this. So you can put the main one, the main pain, or the main excuse that your avatar has and put it here. Even if you haven't, blah 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 blah. For me, this is the most powerful technique to get people. It's a long headline. Obviously, if you're doing like an ad or something shorter, you can use this one. But this is the ultimate one. The next one, we're gonna talk about 5 quick and easy. This is the key here because people want to spend a lot of time and they want things easily. Why? Because it's less effort, it's less energy. So 5 quick and easy ways to, let's say, lose weight. This is a really good one, also because of the odd numbers. Weirdly, people like odd numbers, like really specific numbers. Have you seen those sales pages where they see like the value is $97.65? That's because people trust more when they see really specific numbers. And somehow the odd numbers also make that persuasion, that hooking effect. So 3 fast ways to get, let's say, 1K and avoid losing money. So in this way, you need to put the main pleasure that you people want and then avoid the pain. Because as Tony Robbins says, people buy to get pleasure or to avoid pain. And the ultimate one of these ones is 5 quick and easy ways to get 1K even if you have $0. So in this way, you say these are the quick and easy ways to get 1K, and as the other one, you get the main excuse of your avatar and you put it out. So in this way, you have to think about, you have to embody them and think, what could be like an excuse that my avatar has right now to not buy? So you take it and you put it so people don't have an excuse to click and keep going. The next ones are based on pains and what people need to avoid and how to get attention. So the first one, let's say that X mistakes all need to avoid. So we could say diet mistakes all diabetics need to avoid. So in this way, people's gonna pay attention because no one wants to make mistakes. That's the same thing of gaining pleasure and avoiding pain. So no one wants to make these mistakes. So like mistakes, no, I can't do that. Because of social conditioning, since we're really small, we're taught to not make mistakes. To making mistakes is a bad thing, right? So people want to always avoid mistakes. And also you can use this one, warning. I recently used this one for an email, but I said watch out because Gmail sometimes it can send it to spam because the warning word can be overused and for a lot of clickbait and stuff. So if you don't use the word warning, you can use watch out, which also works pretty much the same. And try to not overdo it because people are gonna say, okay, this guy is trying to make us alert again and it's not gonna work that efficiently. So don't even think about trying to place a Facebook ad until you read this. So in this way, people are like, oh, I was just about to do that, I won't do it. So you get people attention and then you need to deliver. That's the main difference between spamming and the truth, between clickbait and being truthful, because it doesn't matter if people click, obviously it's the first step and the most important one, but you need to also deliver so you can get consistent clients. And the last one is, here is the perfect solution if you want to, and again, the main excuse, even if you this. So let's say, here is the perfect solution if you want to become a copywriter, right? Even if you suck at grammar. So you're taking out the main excuse of copywriters here, like I'm not good at grammar, I'm not good at typing, I'm not good at this. So you can say, here's the perfect solution if you want to become a copywriter, and even if you suck at grammar. So you're taking all the excuses out, and even I would click at this because I want to become a copywriter, and I do think that I'm not really good at grammar. So this could be a really good one if you're trying to sell maybe a grammar software or something in between. So I hope guys you enjoyed it. Use all these techniques, they're really powerful, they're proven, and tell me how it goes. And I'll see you tomorrow.